The copper pan from Cuisine Romefort is like a racing car in the kitchen. Its heat conductivity is up to 25 times higher than that of stainless steel. But just like a sports car, you have to learn how to handle it. Before you fry with your pure copper pan, it should be well preheated, ideally to around 150 to 200 degrees. Celsius corresponds to 300 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. A simple test. Put a drop of water in the pan. If it bubbles and dances over the surface, it is ready. Now you can add a little fat, and then eggs, meat, or vegetables. Important: do not turn the egg or meat until they almost detach themselves from the bottom of the pan. Then reduce the heat. As soon as everything is cooked, remove your dish. Bon appetit! A mixture of vinegar and salt can be used to clean the copper pan. Simply apply and rub with a sponge. Rinse and dry. Done. Cuisine Romefort, tradition and quality. French copper cookware.